It's an icon of America's counterculture. And for Wyld Garage in Phoenix, Arizona, the VW bus is their passion and pursuit.
I've always wanted a 23-window Volkswagen bus. Ever since I was a kid, for whatever reason, I just had this desire to have a 23-window Volkswagen bus. And I don't know why. My parents didn't have Volkswagens. Didn't want to spend $250,000 at auction. Barrett Jackson, I mean, it's insane what they go for now. They're literally the holy grail of vehicles at this moment. All of a sudden, I had Wyld. What you love driving, what you love doing. What makes us different is our customers come to us and they have a vision and a dream. They want to go out, they want to go camping, they want to bring their family out. But we actually go out and we hunt for the vehicles. That vehicle might be down the road, that vehicle might be in Texas, that vehicle might be in Germany, that vehicle might be in Asia, it might be in Brazil. It doesn't really matter. We'll go and we'll find the vehicle for them. Just like you meet great characters from the customer standpoint that want these buses, you meet some pretty unique characters on the find, for sure. When we're on the hunt and we're driving around a neighborhood or digging around a barn, or I mean, we've even been out in the woods and finding buses under tarps, there's always a unique character attached to that bus, whether it's the original owner, second owner, third owner. But the one thing that they have in common is they've got multiple buses usually, and or multiple vehicles laying around. I can't say that it's a dangerous job, but walking around the yard and trying to work your way around some of the things that these people collect, there's always a surprise around the next corner. We've kind of seen this, what I would say is kind of a social movement, and whether it's due to Instagram and all these pictures being posted or whatever it might be, we're now dealing with a new generation that values these Volkswagen buses as much as the original owner.